Alright, we have a 20-foot shipping container back here behind our cabin that we use as a laundry room and a storage area. And so it's getting tired of opening up these big metal doors every day. So I went ahead and built a wall in the end of it with a door and a window, so my wife wouldn't have to mess with them metal doors. I need to get a doorknob put in. Most of this is like 60-70% recycled wood. But for now, I just got a little latch right here. I'm gonna put a doorknob right here. This door, homemade door, I made out of 2x6s and plywood. And found a old horseshoe in the dirt. Used as a handle. The washer and dryer. Got no stained glass. See, I just framed it out. Put screws through the metal into the 2x4s to hold it in place. Kind of old wood at the dump. People throwing it away. Here's my homemade door. I'm gonna paint it so it doesn't look so rough. Anyway, so now, right here by the dryer, on that wall, I'm gonna put a window. So we can put the air conditioner. Someone threw away this window at the dump. It's still perfectly fine. Good enough for a shipping container window. So I'm gonna use that. And we're gonna mount the AC unit in there afterwards. All right, so I gotta make a frame with this treated 2x6s for the window to go in. So I made two of the pieces 36 inches. Now I'm gonna make two of the pieces 39. Put them together. Made sure my frame was square, and I nailed some little pieces on it to keep it from moving. And I made sure I got it sitting level, and I put these boards under here to hold it right here. And then I went around and marked a line all the way around so I can come back and I'll drill it and saw it out. I'll come back to that a little bit later. All right, so here's my lines that I made around that frame that I can follow with my sawzall. That's what it's called. Anyway, I'll get to it. Use this 1-inch drill bit to make a hole at each corner that helped me. That's big enough for me to get my sawzall blade in to get started. I want to be careful because that big drill, when it starts to break through that thin metal on your shipping container, it's going to get caught and it's going to try to break your wrist. So you have to be ready. I was cutting a hole for our dryer vent. And this is what I did to that blade for the sawzall. It didn't like it. Anyway, I'm gonna use a new one. Got my Milwaukee sawzall. Let's see how that goes. Always remember, Safety is the #1 priority. And the reason I'm not using a grinder with a cutoff wheel is because my grinder is too weak. Almost got it all sawed out. There's just one little spot right there that's still connected. I'm gonna go inside and push it outward so it falls outside. All right, so I got it's almost loose, and I'm on the inside, and I got these boards here at an angle so that when it comes loose, it'll slide on out that way. I'm gonna try this little wheat grinder and see if I can get it to cut the rest of the way. Frame almost fits. Gotta use my little grinder to grind a few little spots so it'll fit in there, and then I'm gonna be attaching some supports on the inside to screw it to, and I have to use a lot of sealant to seal in. We'll paint it and then go from there. Now that I have the frame to fit right here, I went and drilled 4 holes into the metal, and I screwed on a 2x4 there and at the top, and then now I'm going to secure the frame by sending a screw down in into that, so that'll be secure and won't go anywhere. And I put one over here, and I'm going to put some up in the top. Alright, so I'm going to put a nice glob of silicone all the way around on this flange before I put it up in there. Then I'll be ready to put it up in there. Up in there. Got a screw in it so I can let go. Anyway, so there's the window. I'm gonna get it screwed in here and get some trim, and I'll show what it looks like later. Alright, so we got the window installed. Got a little bit of trim that we found, go around it. Like I said, it's an old window we found for free. I know welding the frame in with angle iron would be a better way to get a better seal from the weather, but you know, if you use treated wood and silicone all around, plus we're gonna put aircrete all the way out to here for insulating the outside, and there will be a roof overhanging, so there should be no problem with water getting in. But anyway, that's an easy way to install a window without welding. Anyway, don't forget to go outside.